Owning a car often represents freedom, convenience, and independence, but it also comes with a range of financial responsibilities that can catch many first-time buyers off guard. While the allure of having a personal vehicle is undeniable, the true cost of car ownership extends far beyond the initial purchase price. We will explore various financial aspects of owning a car, including purchase costs, insurance, maintenance, fuel, and additional hidden expenses to provide a comprehensive understanding of what it truly means to own a vehicle. Purchase price of a car is often the first and most significant expense that prospective owners consider. Depending on the make, model, and condition of the vehicle, prices can vary widely. New cars generally come with a higher price tag, often ranging from $20,000 to over $50,000, whereas used cars can start from as low as a few $1,000s. However, the purchase price is just the beginning. Buyers should also factor in sales tax, registration fees, and potential financing costs, which can add thousands to the total cost. Thus, the initial financial outlay for acquiring a car can be substantial and requires careful budgeting. Once the car is purchased, owners must contend with the cost of insurance, which varies based on factors such as the driver's age, location, driving record, and the type of vehicle. On average, car insurance can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 per year. This ongoing expense is essential for protecting both the vehicle and the owner from unforeseen accidents or damages. Additionally, many lenders require comprehensive insurance coverage as a condition of financing, further adding to the overall cost of ownership. Consequently, insurance represents a significant ongoing expense that potential car owners should not overlook. Maintenance is another crucial aspect of car ownership that can quickly become expensive. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, brake replacements, and other routine services contribute to keeping a vehicle in good working condition. According to automotive experts, the average car owner spends about $1,200 annually on maintenance and repairs. Furthermore, as vehicles age, they may require more frequent and costly repairs, which can strain a budget. Therefore, understanding the long-term costs associated with maintaining a car is essential for prospective owners. Fuel costs are also a major consideration when evaluating the overall expense of owning a car. Price of gasoline can fluctuate significantly based on location and market conditions, leading to variable monthly expenses for drivers. On average, a driver may spend between $150 and $300 a month on fuel, depending on their driving habits and the vehicle's fuel efficiency. Fuel consumption can vary widely among different cars. Therefore, choosing a fuel-efficient vehicle can help mitigate these costs. Ultimately, fuel expenses represent a recurring cost that can substantially impact a car owner's budget. In addition to the direct costs of owning a car, there are several hidden expenses that often catch owners by surprise. These can include parking fees, tolls, and unexpected repairs not covered by warranty or insurance. For instance, in urban areas, parking can range from a few dollars an hour to hundreds of dollars monthly, while tolls can add up based on commuting patterns. Additionally, car depreciation is an often overlooked cost. Vehicles typically lose around 15 to 20% of their value each year, which can affect trade-in or resale value. Apart from the purchase price, continuous functional costs present an important financial burden for machine holder. Fuel expenses change established display environments and individual driving dresses, but they can fast calculate, exceptionally for those accompanying long commutes or frequent travel needs. Moreover, routine maintenance, such as lubricate changes, tire rotations, and brake checks, contributes to the overall cost of property. These inevitable aids guarantee the bicycle debris in good active condition, but also demand a commercial obligation that must be present image of into allocating determinations. Another main aspect to consider is security, which is frequently a legal requirement for Jeep owners. Insurance premiums can change widely based on factors in the way that the driver's age, forceful history, and the type of vehicle. Inclusive coverage may offer mental freedom but can further inflate monthly expenses. Moreover, the cost of protection can be a significant economic consideration for new drivers or those accompanying less favorable driving records, emphasize the need to shop around favorable rates and coverage options. Possessions taxes and registration bills also contribute to the overall cost of ride ownership. These expenses can vary by state and neighborhood, leading to unexpected economic obligations that many new pickup owners can overlook. Some domains impose solid taxes on vehicle partnership, while others have more affordable rates. Understanding these costs is important when budgeting for a new motor, as they can significantly impact the total cost of control over time. Depreciation is another critical factor to consider when evaluating the cost of owning a car. New cars can lose a significant percentage of their value within the first few years, which affects the car's resale value and may lead to financial loss if the owner decides to sell or trade the vehicle. This hidden cost of ownership is often underestimated, as many individuals fail to account for how quickly a vehicle can depreciate and the impact it can have on long-term financial planning. Last, unexpected repairs and emergencies can pose a substantial financial challenge for car partner. While regular maintenance helps hamper breakdowns, unexpected issues can stand at any time, leading to damaging repairs. Setting aside an emergency fund for these positions is essential to avoid monetary strain. Car owners must wait with expectation the unpredictability of vehicle sustenance, ensuring they can survive these costs without jeopardizing their commercial stability. Finally, the cost of owning my own car includes various expenses containing the initial purchase price, continuous operational costs, insurance premiums, characteristic taxes, depreciation, and unexpected repairs. Each of these determinants plays a crucial role in forming the overall financial commitment complicated in vehicle control. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we hope you found our content informative, engaging, and perhaps even a bit enlightening. Remember, the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the complexities of finance. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart financial moves. See you in the next video.